In this lecture, we are just going to dispatch this update profile action. So I will come to update profile.jsx. I will scroll up and below this, I'm just going to access state values const. I need new user information. So here I will write user. I will access error. I will access success and also I'm just going to access message. And finally, I will be accessing loading. And inside this, I will be passing this use selector hook state. And from where I have to access from state.user. So in response, we are having user, success and message. In addition, we have accessed error and loading. And below this, I will be creating one variable dispatch is equal to, for this, I'm just going to assign this use dispatch hook. And finally, I will be creating one more variable navigate. For this, I will assign this use navigate hook. Okay, once our profile is updated successfully, we should be redirected to profile page. So that is the reason we are accessing this hook. Now when I have to dispatch the action, as soon as my form is submitted, I have to dispatch the action. So for this form, we will pass on submit event handler. Inside this, we will pass the function name as update submit. Now copy this function. Above this, we are just going to create this function event object. Inside this, we will write e.prevent default. And below this, we are going to create new instance of form and that entire value we will assign to my form. And now we have to set the form fields. So inside each input field, we will be passing name attribute. For this, we will write avatar. For name field, we will write name. And for email, we are going to write email. Okay, using this, we will get to know for what field we are just setting the values. So it is very important we pass this name attributes. So below this, we will access this my form. From there, we will access this set method inside which we will pass the field name and with what value we have to replace. We have to replace with the state values which we have defined earlier. You can see name, email and avatar. Now same thing, scroll down, copy. Below this, we are going to write email, copy, paste. Next, we will be passing avatar. So here I will be writing avatar, copy and paste. And finally, we just have to dispatch our action. So dispatch, inside this, we are just going to dispatch this update profile in which we will be passing my form data. So inside this my form, we are having updated name, updated email and updated avatar and that entire data we will be sending while dispatching this action. Now below this, we are just going to check for the errors. For that, let me just open home.jsx. From here, I will copy this error and inside this I will be pasting. Remove last letter, hit enter, use effect will be imported. We have already imported toast. Now for this, remove last letter. Okay, we are not having user slice option. Let me select this, scroll up. Here I will be passing user and then I will be passing user slice. Let me just check whether we are having that function or not. Scroll up. Okay, we are having remove errors. So if we are having any error, accordingly, this use effect will be running. Now exact same thing I will copy. Below this I will be pasting. If our success is true, which means our profile is updated successfully. If this is true, here we will be passing success. And inside this, what we have to pass? Exact same message value we have to pass. So directly, we are just going to pass the message. And that message we have already accessed from the state. And then here we will be passing remove success. Hit enter. Remove success will be imported. And inside this dispatch, we will be passing success. And if user profile is updated successfully, what I have to do? I should redirect profile page. Once our profile is updated, directly we are just going to redirect profile page. Now let me come to my project. Here you can see no user information is displayed, but name was Khanam. Now I will change to Khanam, but name is Khanam1. You can see, but now I will change to Khanam. Email was khanamtestad1@gmail.com, but now I have changed to khanamtestad@gmail.com. Profile picture, I will select this profile picture, click on update. Okay, we are not able to update the result. Let me inspect. Okay, so here we are having some issue. User update profile. Let us come to our file. Inside this update profile, we have dispatched this action. Update profile. Let me scroll up. And while importing, you can see we have done the mistake. From backend, we have just imported this function. Again, scroll down. Remove this last letter. Now I have to select this user slice update profile. Now let me come to project. Inspect this. I will give Khanam. I will write khanamtestad@gmail.com. Choose file. I will select this profile picture. Click on update. Okay. Still I am not having any result. Let me come to network tab. Okay. Our request is failed. And also let me open Redux Dev tool. Inside this, I am having update profile pending, update profile rejected, and also that error message is not displayed. And inside this, what error message we got? We are having this email is already registered. Okay, so whatever updated email we are giving, that email is already present in the database. So that is the reason we are having that error. But let me come to update profile.jsx. Here we are not going to access dot message. Instead, directly we will be passing error, because here we have access complete error. So that is the reason we are not going to access dot message. So only pass error. Now come here, write Khanam, same email. Now I have selected entire data. If I click on update, you can see this error message is shown. This email is already registered. Let me open database. So this is our database e-commerce, and this is the user with which we have logged in, Hanam1, hanamtestad1@gmail.com. But if you notice here, while updating, we are passing this email ID which is already present in the database. So that is the reason we are having that error. Now here I will write Khanam12. Email, I will be writing Khanam12. Choose file. I have selected the file. Now click on update. I am having profile updated successfully. As soon as profile update, I am redirected to profile page. Inside this username, I am having Khanam12, and inside this email, I am having this khanamtestad12@gmail.com. But if you carefully notice, we have also passed the avatar, but inside this, our profile picture is not updated. Why? Because while working with backend, inside that update profile function, we have not added any code for updating our profile. So that is the reason we are not able to upload the image. Before that, let me come to user profile, and inside this, we will be adding loader. Select this entire thing. We will wrap inside parenthesis. Again, we will select, we will be wrapping inside this curly braces. Here we will write loading. If this is true, then we are going to render loading component. And above this, we will be passing these fragments. Come down, and below this, I'm just going to close. And inside this, what we have to render? We have to render this loader component. If it is taking time to load the data, then simply we have to render this loader component.